Hello everyone, good day to you all wherever you might be right now. This is my MT4 app. So MT4 is an access, it gives you access to trade Forex. So this is what this is the outcome of my trade with this particular strategy that I'm about to share with you in today's video. So you can see all the wins. There is no loss at all because this strategy is working perfectly. So this is what I'm about to share with you in today's video. You can see how the strategy is working. 1.15, 0.95, 0.25, 0.85, and here and in this particular place here I withdrew 11.94 USD, 11.94. I withdrew this. So you can see that there is no account, there is no record of any loss because this strategy is very efficient. So this is what I want to share with you today in this video. So but before I go deep into this video, I say to you very active, check to start making to 45% more of, start making up to 45% of the profit difference. This is my working strategy. You all know that Forex trading is very technical, so you don't think it is that states, and therefore there is a way, there is opportunity being a step working effectively. You can leverage taking up to 45% on your capital on money business. So I'm about it, but before I want to tell you that this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. Okay, so for that reason, LASOJENIC BIZZTALK is one of the is a platform, is a channel that is created to share some of the ways that you can make money for yourself online, right? And also online investment platform to let you know if they are legit or a scam, so that you are not going to fall victim of scam online investment platform. So if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware of the next update. So feel free to browse through the channel for several videos that has been done in the past, and you can do your own due diligence research before you venture into any of the discussed content there. All right, okay. So also, if you found this video to be very educative, if it is very meaningful to you, then don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family so that they too can benefit from the information being shared here. So once again, what we are covering today is what we offer is profit trading Forex with the market. Okay? So the strategy is all about a particular platform that I'm going to share with you now. So the name of the platform, okay, let me take you to the platform street. So this is what I have made so far. So this is what I've made. This is the account, this is the record of my trade. This is the record of my trading activities. So for that reason, let me get to that so that I can share with you how the strategy is really working. Okay, so our strategy is working today with you now. So the name of the platform is iprimecapital.com. So that is intelligenceprimecapital.com. So that is the name of the platform, and when you have an account with this platform, you will subscribe to a particular robot that will be trading Forex on your behalf. That bot is very effective, very effective, and it is very cheap. Right now they are doing a promo whereby you can benefit from the reduction in price of the bot. So I want to log into my account so that you can see how it works. Okay, let me log into my account now. Sorry, I will need to pause the video so that I can record, so that I can log into my account. Okay, I have successfully logged into my account, as you can see. So the name of the platform is intelligenceprimecapital.com. intelligenceprimecapital.com. So what you just need to do right now is to just go to the description box of this video. I'm going to drop the link there. So when you register, make sure that you use correct information, because you will need to verify your account with your maybe passport, driving license, or any form of identification that is generally acceptable. So your account, after it has been verified, then you are going to fund it and buy the bot. So this is how you go about it. So after your account has been confirmed, then you click on the subscription button here. So there are 3 bots. There are 3 bots that you can use. So it will be linked up to your MT4 account. So an email will be sent to you, to your registered email, about your login details on your MT4 app. So there are 3 bots. As I said, there is Brilliant bot, there's Genius bot, and there is Smart bot. So the Brilliant bot costs $19 because of the promo that is on ground. $19, 19.9, that is approximately $20. So, and in this you can earn up to 30% monthly. Up to 30% monthly, it is what you can earn here with these robots. So in Genius bot, it is $49.9, approximately $50. It was initially $100, but because of the promotion on ground, so it has been reduced to $50. And here you can earn up to 45% monthly profit on your capital. So depending on your capital, then you can make more. So you have 45%, up to 45% monthly profit when you purchase this bot. And the last one here is the Smart bot. So the price is just $10, approximately $10, and here you can earn up to 15% monthly profit, 15% on your capital. And in all the 3 bots, the minimum capital that you can use is $100 in all the 3 bots. So after you have registered your account, you need to buy the bots and fund it. So when you are to subscribe to any of these bots here, you are going to include your capital. For instance, if you want to use capital of $200, so by the time you subscribe, you click on subscribe, then you are going to impute you are going to impute the amount of the capital that you are using, which is $150, with the amount of the bot, which is $50, making $200. So that is how you are going to do it. So for you to fund your account, so you just go to the menu button. So you click on transaction. After you have clicked on transaction, then you click on the funding button here. So when you have clicked on funding button, then you are going to select the crypto that you like, either USDT TRC20 or Bitcoin. So you choose any of the 2, and the wallet address is here for you to copy. So you copy it straight to your exchange site. So after you have copied it there, then you can fund your account with any amount you wish to start. Don't forget, the minimum investment capital is $100, and you can buy any of the 3 bots. But depending on your financial strength, so you can go for any of the 3 bots that I have explained, either the Smart bot, the Genius bot, or the Brilliant bot, depending on your financial strength. So that is how to go about it. So after then, an email will be sent to you that consists of your login details of your MT4 MetaTrader 4 login details. So you will see it in that email. So you will now use that login details to log into your MT4 account, and you are going to see how your bot is working for you. You can see my home here. So this is how it is working. So this is how it works, and it is very efficient. You can see there is no record of any loss. You can see 1.15, 0.95, 0.25, 0.85. That is how it works. And you know that Forex works for a special currency pair in Forex. It is from Monday to Friday. So by Saturday, then you can withdraw all what you have made in that week. So it is as easy as that. So this is a very good strategy. It's a working strategy that you can embark on to trade Forex successfully. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to stop for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do that. And if you have any question, you can message me through my WhatsApp contact here. This is my WhatsApp contact. Let me show you. You can contact me through this WhatsApp number. You can also contact me through my email address here. And also don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as I will be making frequent announcements on how you can make money online as well. Alright, so don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. This can be an opportunity that many of them have been waiting for. Alright, so, and also you can do your own due diligence research before you venture into any of the discussed educational content here on this channel. Thank you so much once again. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK, and meet me in my next video. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now.